what's going on? It's me, Jay Renard, and I'm here with another of my favorite days, Unboxing Day. So, some of you all may know from some of the videos that I've had that I am a watch person. I really like watches. The one I'm wearing right now, actually, side note, not sponsored. This is a Seiko, and I will put the movement and model information right there. But this is an automatic watch, and a friend of mine, shout out to Ali and her wonderful cats. She put me onto this company here, and they had this one set of watches that I thought were just beautiful. They were his and hers. I really liked the men's watch, and she really liked the women's watch, but they were not being sold individually. And so I just shot her some money, and I was like, please send the men's watch to me because I absolutely want it. And she was like, no problem. And it came in today. So this is my first time checking it out. I got it in the mail, and I've tried mightily to not check it out so that everything would be on the here in this unboxing. So here we go. Look at that. So first things first, I really like the case a lot. Bamboo is probably a thoroughly underrated material in general. It's really strong, and it's really light. And so far as sustainability, bamboo grows very fast. Alright, let's try to get this bad boy out of here. That was surprisingly easier than I thought it would be. But maybe I spoke too soon. Oh goodness. There we go. No. Okay, that was just a cushion. Should have kept better positive control of that. Alright, so I'm going to zoom in a bit. See if I can adjust some of this light here. That's a little bit better. Alright, now I'm going to bring this a little closer. I'm going to take this covering off for the crystal. If I need to, it is giving a little bit of a weird reflection, and it's impeding some of the vision in. Alright, so first things first, I like the weight of it. So with the watches that I wear, I want something that's got either a bit of heft to it, and this watch here, the Seiko, has definitely got some good weight to it, or like something that is low profile, easy to miss, but also stands out when attention's paid to it. And this here, definitely falls in line with the second one. So I can say the band feels pretty good. I like how it's made. I've actually had a watch like this previously. I like the construction, although I do wish that it was stitched along the sides as well for some extra strength. Having said that, the material itself is done really well. It's skived down very well so that the transition here is pretty seamless. There's nothing on here that says what this band is made of, but I'm pretty sure that this band is made of genuine leather, with also some suede, maybe cowhide suede, possibly pigskin suede, because both of those are pretty common. It's made really, really well, aside from the fact that, as I said before, it should definitely be stitched down and around. Now, there's nothing wrong with using just an adhesive. There are actually some really, really good adhesives out there that will keep a band like this together. But like I said, I think it would be better off if it were stitched. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this just so that we can get a better shot of the face and what's going on the inside. Alright, and I'm going to have to turn the brightness down a bit. There we go, just so it's easier to see into it. Now, one of the reasons why, actually, honestly, the main reason why I wanted this was because of the face. It's such a great, great color. Now, on the bottom of this, it just has it listed as leaf green. You can see there. But there's something, I don't know, just a little bit more, a little bit better than just leaf green. And as soon as I saw it, I thought, oh, as soon as I saw it, I thought, man, this is a beautiful watch. It looks great in general. It's got a great wood color to it here. The band looks nice. The face is just beautiful. But me being the leather worker that I am, or at least that I'd like to be, I knew that I had to do something with this band. So, I will be, in the very near future, taking this leaf green band here from TruWood, and I will be constructing a watch band out of some of this ostrich hide. And that's not an exact perfect match, but you can see that they are close enough in color and hue that the watch band should go pretty well with it. I'll likely be using something with a closer pattern, something with some smaller quills, maybe something on the end, or maybe something that stands out a bit more, so something like this. So look for that in the near future. Now, full disclosure, I actually have quite a few projects in front of me. I've got some tabby or tabby style shoes that I have to finish making. I just have to attach the sole and flip them inside out, and that is far harder than it sounds. Or I should say flip them right side in. Then I have 3 custom tooling projects that are minimum 4 hours a piece for just the tooling. My weekends are shot. However, that does mean more content for the channel here. Hopefully you all will be along for the ride. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Excuse me. Thank you very much, Ollie, for putting me on to TruWood, and for this watch in particular. It is absolutely beautiful. Hope they don't get a little or too upset with me for wanting to redo the band there. I just can't leave well enough alone, please don't be too upset at me. Alright, I'm Jay Renard. This has been another unboxing. I appreciate everything, especially your time and attention. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you the next time.